Hi, welcome to this Excel tutorial video, and today we're going to look at the Quick Analysis tool. The Quick Analysis tool is an Excel function that allows you to quickly analyze and display data. You might not have noticed it, but whenever you're kind of looking at Excel and you highlight more than one cell in Excel, this quick analysis tool pops up and appears, and you might not have noticed it, you might not have done anything with it, but let's go through what it allows you to do in this tutorial. So let us start with, I've got some data here. I'm going to highlight these cells, and immediately when I highlight these cells at the bottom right, I've got this little thing here called the quick analysis tool, and if I click on it, it gives me options, and it says, okay, we can do some conditional formatting where we can say show unique values, show something that's equal to a particular keyword, any duplicate values, that sort of thing. Nice and easy. Select on this, equal to Middlesbrough, and there it is, and I can very quickly set up some conditional formatting. If I highlight a list of numbers, I'll get a slightly different set of options. So here I've got these data bar structures, the icon sets, things that we've looked at in previous videos on conditional formatting. And if you highlight a great chunk of data in this case, which is kind of where this thing comes in to be most useful. So I've got this sheet here, and it's only a small sheet of data. This could be huge. This now becomes very, very useful and very important. So I click on this, I get a different set of data again, where I can choose to put data bars on each of the numeric columns, the number scales, all of these things that we've looked at before. So I can say, yeah, contains text 600. So then suddenly it's showing you anything that contains 600 or 50 or whatever else. But you're not just limited to this conditional formatting. If we click on charts here, you've got some quick options of charts that you might want to select. And it's as easy as just clicking on this one here, and oh, there it is. And then from here, you can manipulate this chart as I've demonstrated in previous videos. I'll put some links of those videos in the description of this. If I just press delete to get rid of that, I just want to highlight all of this again. If we go back to charts, there's more charts here that then takes you to this window and allows you to decide on different chart types if you wanted to. And then we've got this totals saying, okay, we want to put a sum at the bottom, or maybe the average of them. You can see how quick you add in suddenly your totals or your percentages to the bottom. And we've got this little bit here that shows you more options here as well. So instead of putting totals at the bottom, you've suddenly got totals on the right hand side. Nice and easy. You can see how effective this will be with a great load of data. Then you've got tables. You can do a pivot table based on the office and the year-to-date percentage, or a pivot table based on the annual budget by year-to-date percentage. You can see all of these options here. Click on more of those, and then you've got more pivot table options in here. And the final thing you've got is this Sparkline. So what this Sparkline does is it adds a new column on the right hand side that has a very miniature graphs. So if I hover over the line, you can see on the right hand side, particularly if we look at this Middlesbrough line here, it goes from 100,000 down to 5,600, up to 40,000, down to 40. This may not be any use particularly, but you've got very quick miniature charts that you can create in here. And then when you select those, and as you make changes to them, you can see the charts changing. So all of these things are real time. As you change the data here, it changes these little charts here. So next time you're in Excel, next time you're highlighting and looking at particular bits of data, remember this little thing that pops up. It's an incredibly useful little tool. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it made sense. I hope you found it useful. Any feedback is appreciated. Thanks a lot for your time. See you next time.